Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the card making today. Really sweet, I think, even if it's for a sad occasion. Okay, so let me show you what I did. The stamps that I'm going to be using is this one called Quiet Meadow. And we're using this image here and this one that says Thinking of You. And we're going to just stamp in Memento because we're going to colour in using the Stampin' Blend alcohol markers. So there we go. And I apologise if you hear any noise, the window's open at the moment. I'm actually filming this in the end of July, even though it's only going live in September. So it's very warm here, so I've got the window open, so I do apologise for that. Let's put, I'm going to do Thinking of You while we've got the Stamparatus out. And then there we go. The rubbish bin just came, so I shut the camera off because you didn't hear all of that noise. So I stamped the image and I stamped Thinking of You. Now I'm going to colour it in using the Stampin' Blend alcohol markers, as I said, and I'm going to be using Daffodil Delight and Old Olive. So I am going to start colouring, and I'll just zoom you in a little, wrong way, zoom you in a little bit so you can see better what I'm doing. So I'm going to start colouring and I'll put you on fast forward and I'll see you at the end. Okay, so I've coloured everything in, as you can see, and I just cut it out freehand with my trimmer, just around and no measurements. So the next bit, we're going to have two pieces of cardstock to layer on top of each other. Our white piece, our piece here, this is going to be our backing piece. This piece here, it's the same cardstock, and then this piece, see, just the back of it, is going to sit on top like that. But I want to use some of this to back my image here. So I'm going to stick it right in the centre and then cut it out around it using my trimmer. It's called gutting, and this way I can then, trying to see which way is up or down. I don't think it really makes much difference. I think I'm going to have it like that. And then put it in the centre. So I want the yellow side. Just like that. And then using my trimmer, I'm just going to cut very gently around it. As you can see, it doesn't have to be accurate. We're going to sort all that out in a minute. So there we go. I've cut that out and I'm left with my frame. And that's what we wanted. So now I'm just going to use my large scissors and just cut around here freehand. You could trim off with the trimmer, but large blade scissors will do the trick as well, just like that. So get rid of these pieces And then I've got a piece here of my designer series paper, and I think I'm going to put it on the side this time. And I'm going to do exactly the same thing, just stick it down and then cut around it. So no exact measurements, just go with the flow. And as I've said before, long bladed scissors makes this so much easier than trying to do it with short blades. Okay, so we are ready to assemble. And the street sweeper machine decided to come round as well instead, so we're not doing very well today. Now I've decided I'm going to try and do this a bit differently, and I think I'm going to have my invert this one and have my layers going this way, just like this. So I'm going to put some glue on here. I'm going to actually have this buttered up at the top this time. So you can change your mind as you go along. There's no right or wrong way to do things. Just like that. Except don't stick it to your grid paper like I did. Sorry about the noise. I thought they'd gone, but obviously they came back. It's not my morning. And then we're going to put this on our basic white grid paper. I mean card base. Like that. And then I'm going to have this in the centre. Like that. I actually like that against the yellow. It's nice. I could have maybe done this one the other way around, but let's see if I can actually pull it up. See, we all change our minds. It's not the end of the world. And there's usually a way to fix it. As you can see here. It looks like a disaster, but no one will even know we changed our minds. I promise. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this piece where I want it in the centre. So let's put this on here so we have it the other way around, like that, and then get rid of that bit. I'm making hard work of this today, am I not? Do you ever have days like this where you seem to chop and change your mind? There we go. Now we're happy. This is our sentiment. I can put this somewhere like that. And there we have two versions of the card. So now you can tell me, which one do you like? Which one do you like better? That one or that one? The blue or the yellow? And let me know in the comments below. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm sorry about the noise. As I said, I'm filming this the last week of July when we have the heat wave. So it's really hot up here, so I've had the windows open, so I do apologise. As I said, if you're wanting more information about this project, the supply list, measurements, etc., it'll be on the blog post on my website, alongside all my social media links, and that's all in the description box below. So thank you for watching, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!